Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure Safe Search on Windows 11. So, first thing to do, you can go to the settings by click on start icon and click settings, and here you can click on privacy and security. You can find the searching permission option under the Windows permission. Click it. The first option is Safe Search. In Windows Search, web previews will not automatically load web results if they may contain adult content. If you choose to preview web results, we'll apply the following settings. So you can choose this. You can turn this off. Don't filter adult content for my web result. So if you think your system, your browser, or your device is accessed by underage, you can use a streak. Filter out adult text, image, and videos from my web results. Or moderate is the default. Filter adult image and video, but not text from your web results. Or you can consider turn this off if you feel you need access to all adult content on your browser. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.